I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're living in Diz.
Walking backwards.
That's what I was going to say. We share a brain. We're walking backwards in this intro in the parking lot because look what we got. We got gondolas. We got gondolas
Okay,
everywhere.
let's not walk backwards anymore.
Okay. As we turn around here behind me, we've got gondolas everywhere too. They're all wrapped up. They are just about ready to go.
But there is one that's unwrapped, which is right over there.
There is one that's unwrapped. It's
They
right
look
behind
so
me.
small. I
It's
thought
right
they
there.
were much bigger.
They do look small. Probably good for a family of
4,
6, maybe 8.
4 to 6. Are we walking?
But we're ready to go too for some park fun. Everybody left me. Let's go. The parking lots have been renamed here at Hollywood Studios. We are in Buzz. Here's a perfect tip just before you get off the tram. Do not get off until a full and complete stop, okay? Not just a full stop, but a complete stop. Look how cute these are. This is the mini. Look how cute these are. This is the mini parking lot sign closest to the actual entrance. And if we scoot right over there with a good zoom, there is Mickey. There are different signs all the way up the temporary walls here, and this is something that caught our eye.
Ben
This
is
is
literally
funny.
the best at everyone, and everyone knows him.
He is the absolute best for the first time in forever a Frozen sing-along celebration. You've got to try to see him. And his full name is, or his Instagram name?
Equity Ben.
Equity Ben. Look him up on Instagram. He's
great.
awesome. So funny. And maybe you've seen him before. Comment below.
If you have, rate him on a scale of 1 to 10. And I only want to see 10s.
Continuing with the walking intro theme, just an extension of that. There's some gunshots going on. I guess that's Raiders of the Lost Ark, Indiana Jones. So this is park fun, and we kind of didn't say what we were going to do. We were so excited about the gondolas. There's hundreds of them.
It looks like at the gondola station, they're coming so low to the ground, they almost touch the ground. If you're looking over there.
Yeah, they don't seem like they're super high, but you can see through the white covering on some of them, and they look amazing. I saw Stitch coming like out of the window with his mouth wide open. I saw a Tinkerbell one, so there's going to be some great theming with those. But we're back to park fun. Look, I'm wearing this shirt. He's wearing his shirt. It's the Hollywood Tower of Terror shirt.
Same color shirt.
She's wearing purple. She's trying to help support the effort today. And the effort is Jacob is finally going to ride Tower of Terror for the first time. We finally talked him into it. He and I actually made a little bet at home, or a deal. We cut a deal, and he's going to do it. So that's the highlight so far, we think, for park fun. But we never know what's going to unfold, and neither do you. So let's do it.
This is where our Disney dollars are going. It's 3:44 p.m. and then the lights are already on.
The lights are on in the bushes. Let's cut some cost, people. So I just checked in and I messed up the sequence. I tried to put my finger on the little display before putting my band on the Mickey. Man, gotta get it right. I told the guy it was my first time. Just so you know, just outside of Toy Story Land, I found this sign with disability access for Slinky Dog Dash. So keep that in mind. If you have anybody that's handicapped, you can come over to this sign and there may be a cast member there waiting for you.
That's cool.
I believe it was the last Hollywood Studios vlog. I got my butt whipped. over at Toy Story Mania. We're heading back there. I'm going back for some revenge. That's what we're going in for now.
And you're gonna get revenge, and we're still gonna beat you all.
When I try the hardest is when I fail the most. Is that a bumper sticker or a t-shirt? Is that even positive? Buzz is out for some meet and greets. Ooh, that's a really powerful stamp. Did you see that stamp? With all that mighty power of his? Courtesy check, 50-minute wait time on the standby for Toy Story Mania on a Saturday at 4 o'clock. Yes. Please note while we're in the queue that not only are the crayons worn to accuracy, but so is the paper. Like, Andy's dirty hands have been all over that crayon. Amazing detail.
You must have some dirty hands.
I've got my game face on and I'm ready to do this.
And you're ready to lose?
That boy's gonna be deeply disappointed. So we'll reveal that the first ride, I'm a disgrace. I'm a disgrace.
I got 191,000. And
I couldn't even compete. My score is going down with my age.
Mine stopped working.
So we're going again. Rematch.
There's the final
There it is,
score.
folks. Just about the same score as the last time. I'm a loser. I have to rethink my strategy. He beat me again.
And
I
I
never
got
know
best
when
in
to
vehicle.
quit.
And I got best
But
in
I'm
vehicle.
not coming back today.
And if you're wondering, what best in vehicle means, like the two vehicles that are connected to each other. So it's not really best in vehicle. It should be best in two vehicles.
That's a good way to blow out a rotator cuff. Bye, game glasses. See you next time. Jill beat me too with 184.
182.
Oh, 182.
I got 182, 3,000. Well, when I say 182, 3,000, cut.
I can still beat the woman.
2,300. You didn't last time.
We heard that this may be temporary, the incredible celebration. I think through September maybe, but don't hold me to it. But this may only be temporary, so make sure you get here if you can to see this. Don't make a special trip just to see it, but if you're...
Temporary? I would change it into another Pixar movie.
Of course. The exciting time has come. Jacob is just minutes from going on Hollywood Tower of Terror for the first time. How are you feeling right now?
Excited.
Excited.
You're a bit scared, I know that. I know.
She's just trying to feed into it. Are you scared?
You're not even going on.
She's just gonna wait in the queue and take off in the child
I'm really
swap.
excited
She's the only child.
I'm
Yes.
really excited for him. And
Yes.
Like if he's scared, I'll let him do it.
Let's do this. First reaction off of Tower of Terror, first time.
I'm so proud of him.
It was so much fun. It tricks you, like, obviously, because I thought it was going down, but it was going up. It feels like it's going to go down, but it goes all the way back up.
Yeah,
It was so much fun.
the look on your face was priceless.
I'm really proud of you.
Good job, bud.
Everyone in the comment section and on social media, comment hashtag. I'm proud of you, Jacob. There you go.
Yeah, comment below. This is like well over a year in the making. Congratulations,
Proud
bro.
of you.
Take pictures here with Cruz Ramirez. There. So this is a pretty wide open space here where you can do the meet and greets with the different cars. Tower of Terror is right there. And Aerosmith is right there.
And I'm pretty sure that they need to take down the Sunset Showcase sign and pretty much revamp this whole place because it just looks normal. Like,
Yeah.
normal Hollywood.
There's the sign right there. So we're gonna go in and check it out. We stumbled upon Lightning McQueen's new show. Let's go show a couple of highlights of the show. Look at that big 95 as you enter the theater. And here's a wide shot of the theater itself.
Great idea. Who is Lightning McQueen's official sponsor?
Looking forward to the show.
All right, let's
You've got
set
this
it all
wide
together
digital
on
screen
three.
that wraps all the way around about 3/4 of the theater.
Great job, rookies.
Can't wait to see the show. We are front and center and we're ready for the show. We hope it's great.
As you rookies make
First reaction of Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy.
Just wow, the animatronic of Lightning McQueen. I thought it was actually real at first. I didn't even think it was an animatronic. In the movie, he moves so smoothly, and he lifts his tires sometimes and turns them out. He just moved exactly like as he would in the movie. Like
I agree with her because it was so realistic, and the quality of the screens are absolutely amazing.
Whatever you think this is, think again because you're wrong. It's not what you thought. Let's get a quick reaction there. It wasn't what you thought.
No.
I mean, we kind of knew that he'd be racing on a simulator
I didn't.
and interact with the crowd, but
It was cool.
it was awesome. I mean, you can't even dream it up. You got to see it for yourself. This is a must-see. I did not go into this saying that I thought it would be a must-see. It's a must-see. This is something that we're going to probably stop by and check out most times that we're here. I mean, we come a lot, so we probably wouldn't come every time, but I bet we're going to do this about 80% of the time at least. In the beginning, more. Next time we come, we'll be seeing it.
Front row is the best. Get the front row if you can. But everyone, the animatronic. We apologize because they told us not to film in there. But the animatronic, you have to see it for yourself. It's so amazing.
Like she said, they nailed it. You cannot get any more realistic than what Lightning McQueen is. Like she said, the way he gestures with his tires, the way his mouth moves in the front,
Exactly.
the
On
eyes.
points, his eyes move, and they blink,
Yeah,
smile, and frown, and it's crazy.
we can't say enough. You got to check it out.
And it was so intense.
And
I loved
like
everything.
you said, about the people that think that this would be bad, I thought it was going to be like alright and we wouldn't see it much, but I loved it.
When I first walked in, you see this huge 95 and a whole bunch of screens up top. It's kind of like Circle Vision but cut in half. A whole bunch of chairs, and then there was like this whole platform with like doors covering it. I was like,
I thought we were just gonna
What is
watch
this?
like screens around, like Circle Vision, and then like the doors open.
I was like,
He blows you away.
and then he just drives up. He's like, hey. I was like,
Yeah, you get lost in it for a minute. Like your mind just tells you that, oh, this is Lightning McQueen live. I'm watching Lightning McQueen, like the real Lightning McQueen.
I don't know if any other members of my family couldn't process this, but I could not process that at all.
You got to check it out. It's a must-see. Just so you know, it runs every 15 minutes, so it's continuous. And look, the line is filled up again. So it is filling up every time.
It fills
It's new,
up
but
quick.
it's going to be new for a long time.
It's
It's
worth
quick,
it,
so you
though.
better get there.
It does fill up quick, so anyway, it's 15 minutes.
So,
So I've never sat here before. We're on the
Our
suitcases.
They're like old-time suitcases.
Yeah, old-time suitcases here on
Sunset Boulevard.
Sunset Boulevard, Hollywood Studios. Park Fun. That's what we're doing. You're hanging. Some little known facts, and I know these for facts, that George Lucas was never happy with this version of C-3PO because he's too fixated. He doesn't move enough. He's supposed to turn and actually hit those buttons, and when he yells at R2-D2, his fingers are supposed to actually bend and point at R2. Another unknown fact is that one time these animatronics operate on like 500 or something PSIs, which is a really strong thrust of power. And one day his arm blew off and went right through the ship, and that is a fact. And just to finish up that story, people actually saw it, and it looked like C-3PO. His arm was gushing blood because the oil they use is bright red, and it was pretty traumatic for people. That happened maybe 15, 20 years ago, but it's a fact. The all-important checking of the baggage. You got to make sure. You can't take any illegal items on Star Tours, just like checking into the airport.
No, Neil, where does this come in? Like, we're in the Tower of Terror gift shop. Where does this stuff come in? I'm confused. If someone knows, please comment.
Maybe it's from 19...
Like that. I mean, is it supposed to represent, like, I don't know, if you're staying in the Hollywood Tower?
Maybe it's from the
like that
hotel,
time.
like
that time.
maybe you need a little something. You know, maybe you forgot your PJs. I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is that?
That's our what is this moment. For sure. But we do like this.
Okay, I kind of like this.
I like this. Oh, she kind of likes that one now.
I like that.
I like this.
It's so cool.
Is that a female
I think so.
version? I would like a male version of that, please. Jacob and I. Did anybody know of this? At some point, they made a movie of Tower of Terror, like the Tower of Terror, right here. Or maybe it was in Disneyland, but that's strange, and it's with Steve Guttenberg and Kirsten Dunst. Interesting. That's gonna do it for Park Fun here at Living It Is. We went on the Tower of Terror. Jacob went on for the first time. Not only once, but we were able to grab it twice.
At the end of the night.
Yeah, and now he can wear that shirt and be nice and proud of it. That's right, we did that, and we also showed you a little bit of Lightning McQueen Racing Academy, right?
That was amazing.
So I've now officially went on every single ride in Disney.
Yes, he did. The master.
High five.
High five, bro. So for now, hope you had as much fun as we did. Maybe not, but maybe close. I'm Corey. Wow, they're excited. Yeah,
Fun. It's Disney.
they're having fun. That's all right. Bye, guys. See you next time.